How do we explain the difference between the impact observed in teenagers and in young individuals? Where do we have this reference? It is the third paragraph that states that the benefit of the program were most prominent among those who experienced the intervention at a younger age. In this context, let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, human behavior is relatively less flexible by the time we reach adolescence. If this is true, it explains that teenagers are less flexible, whereas young individuals are more flexible, and hence it may explain that the young individuals are in a better position to adapt and learn from the improved social environment with respect to teenagers. So this answer choice explains the difference cited here, that young individuals had better income, better college attendance rates, and better marriage rates as compared to the teenagers. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice B, some minors do not participate well in research. The term minors would relate to both teenagers and individuals. So this answer choice does not explain the difference between the two. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, teenagers have already experienced the ills of poverty and been influenced by them. Even if this is true, it doesn't explain why teenagers do not respond similar to how young individuals did. So this answer choice fails to explain the difference. Also, another way to look at this answer choice is that experiencing the ills of poverty is also applicable to young individuals, but young individuals respond differently. So again, this answer choice fails in explaining the difference. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, the benefits take time to be visible. It can be inferred that both teenagers and young individuals have got the same amount of time in the program, as well as when the benefits of the program were followed up once again years later. So this answer choice fails in explaining the difference. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, another similar study demonstrated consistent impact on all children. If another study demonstrates consistent impact, it raises doubt about why there was difference in impact between teenagers and young individuals in this particular experiment. So this answer choice doesn't explain the difference, rather it raises further concerns. So this answer choice can be eliminated. A is the correct answer choice.